Hey y'all, welcome back. We are back with another look. Today we are doing a reverse ombre unit. So my client got this unit from Amazon. It was a good unit, but it didn't take color well, so we had to work with what we had to work with. So I already did the ball cap. I went in and put the same makeup that I put on the ball cap, I put on the lace, and then I cut out those earpieces just so that the wig can fit comfortably. And then after that, I'm gonna go in and prep her skin and get ready to glue it down. And right here, I'm just using those adjustable bands and just adjusting it, making sure it's tight and flat. So I go in with 91% alcohol, and then I go in with my skin protector. And then after that, I do 4 layers of glue, allowing each layer to dry in between. Also, let your alcohol dry and let your skin protector dry. Everything needs to dry. So yeah, I did 4 layers, nice and thin, allowed it to dry. And then after that, I went in and laid that lace into the lace and put her band on.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down.
Now while that lace is melting in, I'm about to get to styling. So I always blow dry my client's hair fully out. Even if it's dry, still blow dry it. It just makes it look, the styling just looks so much better. So I did go ahead with beach waves for her. If you guys want a more detailed beach wave tutorial, let me know in the comments, because that's a whole nother tutorial. So I use heat protectant and a little bit of spritz for each curl. Alright, now we're about to get to cutting the lace. So we are going for a no baby hair look. So cutting your lace is very important for these type of looks. You want to make sure you're using a razor and that you are moving that hand. Don't cut in a straight line, because especially if you're doing a no baby hair look, if you cut in a straight line, you're gonna see it. So yeah, make sure you're cutting in a like really jagged motion. And then we're gonna spray that lace down and then melt it down again.
I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know.
Now while that's melting again, we are going to go in and finish styling. So I already did the full back, so now I'm about to go in and do the frontal part.
don't wife him, he one item. I never listened, no, I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Alright, and after I finish curling, I am now just going to be doing my finishing touches. Dapping a little makeup here and there, defining that part. And then I'm going to comb out those curls, cut a little bit of layers, you know, fill it out, fill it out.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year, y'all. I'm coming with more content, more vibes, y'all know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Do the whole thing, like, especially if you got all the way to the end. Why not? But anyways, love y'all. See y'all in my next video.
Get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to